Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I will be showing you the utilization of serial numbers. First thing you're going to do is make sure that the serial tracking is on the product. You do this by going to Inventory, Products, General Information tab, and where it says Track Inventory, you need to switch it to by unique serial number. It is defaulted at by quantity when you create a new product. Once you enter in purchase information, you'll be able to create a purchase order. For those products, and when you check those products in is when you will be assigning the serial numbers to them. So it's going to generate however many serial numbers are on the purchase order in an ascending order. And then once you validate that, you can see that the serial numbers are now visible here on the receipt of the purchase order. And then if we go back to the product, we can see the new 5 products checked in with their designated serial numbers. The other thing you can do is you can trace manufactured products with serial numbers. Same thing, you need to make sure that the track by inventory is unique serial number, and other things like bill of materials are necessary for manufacturing products. So if we go to manufacturing and create a new manufacturing order, once it's produced, you can see here that a new serial number has been created, as there were 2 previously made before it. And from a traceability standpoint, if we go back to the product and look what we have on hand, we can see the 3 unique serial numbers that are attributed to these specific manufactured products. And this is very good, especially if you're selling things that involve warranties. And that way you have traceability on if you actually sold these to the person and what have you. So it's a very useful tool. If you have any other inquiries, please contact us through the link provided in the description below.